What? The last thing we did on Wednesday is we received a z-score for the test statistics at 5.84 in the reject region. Right, that was the last thing we did. So today what we're going to do is we're going to cover how we drew the picture. And today we're going to cover this. So we're going to start with a very simple example. And the example we're going to start with is if we have a significance level of 0.05 and just like the example we did, we have h sub 0 defined as p equals to 0.5 and h sub 1. We have three choices to define h sub 1. Right? Well, choice number 1 is what? Well, choice number 1 is h sub 1 is defined as p being greater than 0.5. Well, this is how we define proportion. Remember the example we did on Wednesday? Yeah. Right? So the choices for H1 are as follows. We have one choice that looks like this. Yes, we can imagine. We have one choice that looks like this. And we have one choice that looks like this. Right? Again, we write h sub 0 with an equal sign because we're simplifying whatever sign there was. If it was equal, it's still equal. If it was greater than equal, it becomes equal. If it was less than equal. And those are the four choices. So the three choices we have for h sub 1. Right? H sub 1 is the opposite of h sub 0. Yes? No? Maybe. For this, in this case, right, in all those three cases, 1, 2, 3, h sub 0 would be simplified to p equals 0.5. Yes, we did that. No, we don't remember.
Don't recall that.
A long weekend. Friday, I can tell it was only 3 days long. What was the example we did? A sample of 706 COs, right? So let's redo the example then. Sorry. Right, that was the premise of the example we did on Wednesday. So claim that we dealt with was most CEOs are male. Yes? Yes. And then we did some calculations and we arrived at a test statistics of 5.84. Everybody remember this example yet, maybe, right? And we had a picture for this. Yes, no, maybe? We didn't get to the picture. Excellent. So here's the picture part. We got this. We had a critical value of yes? Yes, no, not yet. Yes. If we talk about significance level, yes? Because I'm feeling like I'm trying to force information out of you. Yes, no, maybe. Do I need to reduce some information? We talked about significance level, right? Alpha, it's alpha, right? And we talked about the fact that the significance level allows us to get to a critical value. Yes?
Yeah,
Yes.
1 minus
Sorry?
Yeah, it's 1 minus alpha, yeah.
No, 1 minus alpha is confidence level.
Okay.
Significance level is just alpha. Yes, we talked about this. We got to the point that we can get from alpha to a critical value. Yes? Yes. And we also got to the point where critical values separate the fail to reject and the reject region. Yes? Yes. And if our test statistic falls into the reject region, we reject H sub 0. Oh my God.
Yeah.
I'm getting so many blank stares. Okay, how about